Good morning, class. Today we'll try to understand about packaging. Yesterday we saw brands, na. So today the next important thing about the product is the packaging. See, packaging is an absolute impossibility for a service. It is only a possibility for product that is tangible, anything that can be touched, seen, and felt. Now the companies, na, usually they supply the products in a packed form. Say for example, Pepsi in a bottle, surf in a bag, biscuits in a wrapper, oil in a jar or a tin or a can or a packet, milk in a tetra packet. Packaging are the process of designing and producing an appropriate wrapper, container or bag for the product. Now it plays a very important role, children, because the color of the packet, now the packing, the how good you pack, that much attraction for the eyes. The packaging should be a treat to the eyes. Then only customer will go to purchase the product. Right, because it is a displaying necessary. What it is a treat to the eyes. So it is a displaying necessity. Packaging reduces the risk of wastage, spoilage, leakage. We don't have to, you people know how packing, it's a very simple topic, right? So packaging reduces the risk of wastage, spoilage, leakage, etc. When we talk about packaging is a very important and significant promotional tool. You know why? Because it works better than an advertisement. The packet itself, like, I'll tell you one example. We had this Lay's chips with face, na children, with a face coming up, Ranbir Kapoor's face and Alia Bhatt's face. Children went crazy, small children purchasing it, because that face they used to keep and give, I'm sharing my smile, got it? So packaging is very important. Colorful things, right? So it in self-service store, packaging plays a very, very important. Self-service store like supermarkets, right? These are all some examples of packaging, how different ways they have done. One thing that you can see YouTube videos related to this packaging, children. People say that this can be avoided. What is the use of this cardboard? You are wasting trees. You can directly give this, right? But due to transportation and other reasons, that you can't avoid it, right? Now there are different levels of packaging, children. 3-level packaging: primary, secondary and tertiary. Tertiary is called transportation package. Primary packaging is first cover. I'll tell you, in this Colgate, the first one is there, where I'm showing the mouse, the silicon cover. That one is the first packaging. This refers to products immediate container. Example, toothpaste ka tube, right? Then secondary package, this refers to additional layers of protection that are kept till the product is ready for use. Example, toothpaste tube usually comes with a cardboard box. This cardboard box that is there, that is a secondary. Transportation, you must have received couriers from Amazon, right? So transportation package, it refers to packaging of products necessary for storage and transportation. Example, toothpaste manufacturer may send the goods to retailers in a big carton boxes for the sake of transportation, not for the customer. The third one that you see. So the example I'm giving, close up, the first tube that is there, that is primary packing. The outside cardboard bag is secondary packing. And because it has to reach the retail shop in lorries, they dump everything in this carton box and then push it. So that is transportation or tertiary packing. Now what is the importance? What is the purpose of having packaging? Not only marketing, children. The first one is it protects the fundamental function of packaging itself, that it protects the product from damage. Appropriate packaging protects the products from sun, rain, moisture, insects, all those things. So very, very important for you to understand that packaging plays a very important role in giving protection to the product. Now with the second one is product identification. Color of the packet. Very simple thing. With the help of the packaging only, customers can easily identify what product it is. Then facilitating the use of the product, because how to use, ingredients, all those important information related to the package are imprinted in the process of labeling. They are printed on the, suppose there is a perfume, children. Certain perfumes are fabric perfumes, certain perfumes are body perfumes. So fabric perfume ko body mein, body perfume ko fabric mein lagaye, to what is the point? You will not serve the purpose. Particularly they have given. Same way, the size and shape of the package should be such that there should be convenience in opening, handling and using for the customer. Example, shampoo package, shaving cream, all these things. Particularly the sanitizers, hand wash, which we frequently use, should be very convenient. अभी सैनिटाइजर यूज़ करने के लिए 5 minutes to spend in opening the bottle is a sheer waste of time. A sanitizer bottle cannot be similar to a coconut oil bottle. Both are different. It should be spraying, right? So you need to understand that facilitating the use of the product is also one of the significant improvements of functions of packaging. Now, promotion, I told you a lot of gold coin inside. In the Lux ke andar a gold coin hai. See, in the packet only they have given the offer. Promotion. Here you are able to see. Right? Rising the standard of health. Packing helps in preventing adulteration as a product is properly packed. That means seal open ho gaya. If the seal is open or if it is broken, the package is open while you are, then don't use the product. They have clearly told, na? So that means adulteration has happened. Right. Product differentiation also, it's very important. Packaging creates a product differentiation. Yes, brand it is. Where do you put your brand name? You put it on the packet only, na? Tata Salt. On the packet only you are going to put, na, Red Label Tea. So whatever branding effort that you have done, name you have given to your product, that will be on the product only, na? Right? Then comes the concept of labeling, children. What is labeling? Labeling means putting identification marks. That is writing the ingredient. This is a mandate requirement according to commercial law. There are certain things that has to be mandatorily put, like AG mark, ISI mark, all those things. It provides information with, like, the name of the product, name of the manufacturer, the weight, the date of expiry, the date of manufacturing, the contents, the method to use, what is the mix of the product, the price tag, everything is attached in the labeling process. The nutritional facts. See, you are able to see, right? Now, what are all the functions performed by labeling? First one, labeling is a part and parcel of packing, children. In the packet only you do the labeling, imprint it. And one of the most important function is to describe the product. How to use the product, what is the manufacturing date, what is the expiry date, what is the price of the product, etc. Then identification of the product. The label gives the customer to identify the product. If only red color cover is there, then in red color means it is red label. You have to write the name, na, label, Red Label Tea. That imprinting, that name that you gave is imprinted in the process of labeling. With the help of the label, products can be graded in different categories. For example, Maima's milk product only, different brackets. Blue color is skimmed milk, orange color is full cream milk, and pasteurized milk is green color. So the same company ka product only. See, you are able to see, children, the example that is given here. It promotes the sales. Attractive and colorful labels always attract the customers and induce them to buy. Labeling also provides information required by law. For example, according to law, the statutory warning on the packet is given for cigarettes. एक घटिया सा फोटो लगाते हैं ना on the cigarette. The smoking causes cancer. Do not smoke. Liquor is injurious to health. Even in wine bottles you have it. And when you take medicines without doctor's prescription, do not take the such medicine. Not for children's use, not for pediatric use. That thing also is mentioned in the product. So all those things are examples of labeling. So in today's class, what did we see? We saw packing and labeling, children. In packing, we saw 3 levels of packing: primary, secondary and transportation, that is tertiary packing. Then we saw the significance or importance of packing. Then we understood the concept of labeling. What is labeling? How the products are labeled. Labeling puts the identification mark. The identification mark, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, all statutory requirements. With this, the concept of product comes to an end. One thing you have to understand in this, grading ka thoda one more time you read, children. Grading means what? 100 grams packet, 200 grams packet, 500 grams packet, cream milk, skimmed milk, same company ka. That weight according to the grading, according to the content inside, the color changes. Right? Thank you and have a very, very fantastic day and a happy and lovely Children's Day to all. God bless you, children. Dada Sham.